Hello dear friend, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will show you and guide you how to get your MacBook Pro old model with touch bar to go to recovery options and completely reinstall it. You can also see the description on the screen. And it's very important to hold the keys until you see the Apple logo. And actually now you can release the keys. In this menu you can choose your language. Now your MacBook will come to recovery options. You can completely wipe your hard drive by going to Disk Utility, choosing the right partition, right disk, and wipe it, erase it. This is really important to wipe your hard drive totally in order to install a clean version of macOS. Once you completely wiped or erased your hard drive, you can continue to macOS Reinstall. You will see it in a few seconds. As you see, you can also deep dive in disk options to choose partition size. And now we will proceed with macOS Reinstall. And of course, before you continue this installation, you should connect to your Wi-Fi. Without connecting to Wi-Fi, you will not be able to reinstall your MacBook. Now, once your MacBook connects to your Wi-Fi, you can continue with reinstallation. And I will see you in the next video, and we will see how to install the macOS. Thank you for watching.